Hello! Today, we'll make a professional start in AutoCAD. In 10 minutes, we'll set up an interface that allows you to draw faster and work more organized. The ribbon contains drawing tools and functions. You can switch between the tabs. In the Home panel, you'll find different groups of tools like Drawing, Editing, Dimensioning, and Layers. You can easily switch between the ribbon tabs to access different tool sets. For example, the Home tab has all the basic drawing and editing tools, while the Annotate tab is where you'll find dimensioning and text tools. Just hover your mouse over the tabs to explore the subpanels, so you can quickly see what each tool does. The ribbon works hand in hand with the command line and status bar to make your workflow faster and more efficient. First, click on the command line area to activate it. Now type Line and press Enter. As you type, AutoCAD will suggest commands automatically. This feature is called Autocomplete, and it helps you find commands faster. You can also press the up arrow key to access your previous commands. This is known as command history. In this step, let's understand the Model and Layout tabs. The Model tab is where you create your drawings at full scale. The Layout tabs are used to present your drawings on sheets ready for printing. Now, switch between Model and Layout using your mouse. In our drawing, there was a cube already created. On the right side, you can see the View cube. The View cube allows you to quickly change your viewing angle in 3D space. Click on different faces of the cube to rotate the view. This tool is especially useful when working with 3D models. This step, let's learn how to save your workspace. Click on the Workspace menu from the top right corner of the screen. After customizing your interface, select Save Current As. Give your workspace a name and click Save. You can also manage and switch between saved workspaces anytime. Saving your workspace allows you to reuse your preferred settings whenever you need. In this step, we will learn how to use layers to organize our drawing. Layers help you separate different elements, making your project cleaner and easier to manage. First, open the Layer Properties Manager. Now click on New Layer to create a new one. Give your layer a clear name and assign a color to it. Using colors helps you visually distinguish objects in your drawing. Always place each object on the appropriate layer to keep your drawing organized and professional. In this step, we will learn how to use the Properties panel. The Properties panel allows you to quickly edit the characteristics of selected objects. First, select an object in your drawing. Now, open the Properties panel. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+1, typing MO, or simply typing Properties in the command line. Here, you can change properties such as color, line type, and line weight. Try changing the color of the selected object. You can also adjust the line type to better represent different elements. Using the Properties panel helps you make fast and precise modifications in your drawing. This step, we will customize the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar allows you to keep your most frequently used tools in one place. This helps you save time and work more efficiently. First, locate the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the screen. Now click on the Customization icon. From here, you can add commonly used commands such as Line, Rectangle, and Zoom. You can also right-click on any tool in the ribbon and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Customize this area based on your workflow to improve your speed and productivity. In this step, we will switch between workspaces for a more efficient workflow. First, open the Workspace menu and select 3D Modeling. This activates all the tools you need for creating 3D models. After completing your model, switch to Drafting and Annotation. This workspace is used for adding dimensions, annotations, and preparing layouts. Using the right workspace at the right time helps you work faster and more professionally. Now let's start with a basic drawing using the Line command. This is the foundation of all drafting work in AutoCAD. Click on the Line tool or simply type L and press Enter. Now click your first point in the drawing area. Move your cursor and click again to create a line. Repeat this process to create multiple connected lines. Press Enter to finish the command. Line helps you control your drawing precision and build clean geometry step by step. Now let's move on to the Rectangle command. This allows us to quickly create perfect rectangular shapes. You can activate it by typing REC or selecting the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click your first corner point in the model space. Now move your cursor and click again to define the opposite corner. The rectangle is created instantly with accurate geometry. Now apply layers and colors to organize your drawing. Rectangle is one of the fastest ways to build structured geometry in AutoCAD. Now we will learn how to edit our drawing using basic modification tools. First, use the Move command to reposition objects in your drawing. Select the object, choose a base point, and move it to the desired location. Next, use the Rotate command to change the orientation of your objects. Pick a base point and rotate the object to the correct angle. With these tools, you can fully control and refine your design. Great! You are now starting to use AutoCAD seriously. In the next episodes, we will move on to mastering drawing commands. Don't forget to follow. Thank you.